ஐயோ பார்த்தா பின்னாடி பேக் ஸ்டேஜ்ல அப்படியே ஃபயரா இருக்கு. நீங்களாம் என்னடா ஆடியன்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? குட் ஈவினிங் எவ்ரிவன். Wow, such great energy. Thank you so much. So welcoming you all to the most awaited evening of AV Arena, and we are absolutely thrilled to have you join us today. A warm welcome to our esteemed dignitaries, our supportive parents, valued school heads, cherished friends, and our beloved families. And myself, I am Madhu, and I'm your host for this show. So sorry, please bear with me for the next few hours. If at all ஏதாவது தப்பு இருந்துச்சுன்னா நமக்குள்ளேயே பேசிக்கலாம். கொஞ்சம் ஆடியன்ஸ் மேலே லைட் போட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா இப்போ கொஞ்சம் ஆடியன்ஸ் ஃபோக்கஸ்டாக இருக்க போகிறோம் நாங்கள் கொஞ்சம் நேரத்துக்கு. ஸோ we have all these standing behind the stage. And அதே மாதிரி I am very much supportive to the audience. நான் இந்த பக்கம் தான் and volunteers எல்லாம் அந்த பக்கம் இருக்கட்டும். ஸோ நம்மளும் we are going to prove that we are also here with the same energy. Okay? Fine. எவ்வளோ பேரோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எவ்வளோ பேரோட கிட்ஸ் இங்கே பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறாங்க, அவங்கெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் அப்படின்னு கத்த முடியுமா? சரி. எவ்வளோ பேரோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இங்கே பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ண போகிறாங்க, கத்த முடியுமா? அப்போ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் க்ரௌட் கம்மி. ஓகே. அங்கே எங்கேயோ கொஞ்சம் என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான் அவங்க. ஆல்ரெடி ஃபயர் இருக்காங்க. நீங்கள் கத்துனதும் people will come here and will just burst out. So thank you so much. Okay, so let's start the show. Can we? Yes. Are you very much excited to watch your kids performing? How many of you are excited? Please raise your hands. Thank you so much. Please hold that excitement till the end of the show, and for sure you'll be watching a banger over here. Okay, so let's give them a big round of applause and we'll just start the show. Thank you. So before getting into the event, I would like to give you a glimpse about AV Arena. So this is all about the journey of AV Arena. Today marks a significant milestone for AV Arena, which is one place for our all art, as we celebrate our 4th anniversary and hosting our inaugural annual show. So maybe, what is AV from AV Arena? Anyone from the crowd or anyone from the volunteers? Any idea? What is that AV in AV Arena? Idhadu theriyuma? Any idea? No. Actually, initially we thought that AV is for, Aravind Venkat Arena. He's the artistic director of AV Arena. We want Arvind, on stage. Yes, so Arvind. Without a doubt, that for this silent Modi Maricha, have you named your dance school? Amava, what's the name? Bahirangama வந்து Mr. Arvind Venkat has accepted that AV Arena stands for Arvind Venkat Arena. இல்லையா? என்னங்க நீங்க தாங்க இப்ப சொன்னீங்க? No. Okay, உண்மையா நான் சொல்லிடுவா என்ன அப்படின்றது. So it is Arvind Venkat Arena. இல்லையா? இல்லை. Okay guys, thank you Venkat, thank you. Okay fine. AV, which stands for Artistic Virtual Arena, embodies our vision of making art accessible to all. AV Arena is followed by the hashtag, that's why one place for all art. So going back to February 2021, with a simple but yet a powerful idea, the AV Arena's idea is all about to provide a nurturing space and high quality dance education for children and adults who long to dance. So when we come to this point, adults who long to dance, like how many of you had a passion on dance during your childhood, but adi neraiyala abdiravangala yaaradi? I can see a lot of people. Wow, thank you so much. I love you, for accepting the truth. Unga peru Maheshwari. So we do have, your name? Ashmi. Okay, Maheshwari and Ashmi, they have accepted that, they had this passion for dance, but due to certain reasons, they were not able to do it, during their childhood. But AV Arena is one place which does support adults who are longing to dance. Because dance or any art is, not restricted by any age. Even during the challenges of COVID-19 pandemic, we adapted starting with private sessions and online classes. Post-COVID, AV Arena successfully launched its Summer First Camp and held a celebratory event in our own initial studio. Thank you for unwavering support from all of you, and because of it, AV Arena was able to expand and open a second studio in Mugavere in June 2023. It presented the first major stage performance in late 2023 featuring 50 plus students, which was a testament to its growth. Now we are overjoyed to present our first annual show on this prestigious Chennai stage. This journey is incredibly special to us. Hence, we remain dedicated to providing an exceptional dance education and spreading the joy of happy dancing. Tonight's event is a showcase of AV Arena commitment to quality and authentic dance. We are proud to present 4 unique dance pieces from our company. Our talented students, rather than telling talented students, I would like to name them as fearless warriors. Do you accept it? Because we do, all of us have a routine life. சாப்பிட்றோம் எந்திரிக்கிறோம் வேலைக்கு போகிறோம் and we are coming back to home. People who are thinking about something out of the box are already, we can definitely call them as warriors, right? So people who are performing here, I will be today calling them as the fearless warriors. I think all of you will accept this, right? எல்லாரும் accept பண்றீங்கல்ல? Yeah. We are also delighted to host guest performances from schools, colleges and corporate partners. This event truly embodies our mission of providing equal opportunities to all the fearless warriors. AV Arena has cultivated strong, long-standing relationships with leading educational institutions across Chennai and Tamil Nadu. We provide year-long dance education courses as part of their extracurricular activities and train students for major stage performances during their annual meet. So that is what declares about AV Arena. So without any further delay, we would like to start the event with one-line banger, that is 6 instructors, 65 students and 120 minutes of good vibes. So here, guys, audience, we can't get the backstage. Please give me a big round of applause for all the backstage performers of some fearless warriors.